In this tutorial, you will see how to reset your sign-in password by email and manage your account. After your system administrator creates an account for you in the application, you will receive an email with a link to create your password. Note that this link expires after 24 hours. To set your password, click the link in the email and follow on-screen instructions. You are notified if your password doesn't conform to predefined rules. When you have a valid password, click Continue. If you click the link after 24 hours of receiving it, you need to contact your system administrator. After your password is successfully reset, you receive a confirmation email. This email includes a link to your Oracle Health Sciences Cloud account. Alternatively, you might receive a separate email with a direct link to your study or application. Going forward, if you forget your sign-in credentials, click the Trouble Signing In link to reset your password. Enter your username or email address and request an email with a password reset link. You can request an email link up to 3 times, after which you can click the sign-in page link. And then click Trouble Signing In to request another email link, or you can contact your system administrator to reset your password. You can manage your user account from OHSIAMS Identity Self-Service, which you can access via your Oracle Health Sciences Cloud or My Oracle Bookmarks page. From here, you can edit your user information, manage your roles, add and track your request for access to new business services. Click My Information. Here you can edit your personal information and change your password. To change your password, open the Change Password section. Enter your old and new passwords and click Apply. In the My Access section, you will see which roles have been assigned to you and remove them if required. To remove a role, click Remove Roles and click Revoke. For more information, go to the Help pages.